Welcome to Top Moments TV, a place where adventurous, breathtaking and captivating journeys converge. This is not only a story about giant machines conquering nature, but also an epic of perseverance, determination and courage in the face of harsh challenges. Every powerful turn, every grinding sound of wheels on rugged terrain, all create a majestic and vivid picture. Get ready to enter a world full of emotions, where every moment makes your heart beat faster. Have you ever looked at a giant tree towering high between the earth and sky and wondered what secrets it holds inside? Sometimes, those secrets are the remains of decay and old age over time. Luckily, we have extraordinary people, heroes of the green forest, to ensure that these giants are brought down safely, without endangering anyone or anything. In the deep forest, the roar of chainsaws blends with the rumbling sound of giant logging machines, creating a majestic symphony of power and precision. This is more than just a job, it is an adventurous journey, where man and machine join forces to conquer the wild. The loggers are not only talented craftsmen, they are also engineers, explorers, and artisans, mastering every cut, every pull of the winch, every step amid lurking danger. Each fallen tree is not only a result of skill but also a testament to courage and absolute focus. It is a dangerous dance in the jungle, where one small mistake can change the course of a life. But they work with pride, turning the challenge into art, ensuring that both people and nature are respected. In the middle of the quiet forest, a beaver was diligently gnawing on a tree by the stream. Its dark brown fur glistened in the sunlight filtering through the foliage, creating a wild and captivating beauty. With its sharp front teeth, it quickly thinned the tree trunk, small pieces of wood falling like dry leaves. Its jet black eyes shone with attention, while its distinctive flat tail lightly tapped the ground as if to maintain balance. Its gnawing sound mixed with the murmur of flowing water, creating a lively, vibrant natural music. Circular saw blade woodcutter is a powerful and convenient tool in the woodworking industry. The highlight of the machine is the circular saw blade, made from high-grade steel alloy, which helps to cut wood accurately and smoothly. The machine is often equipped with a high-power motor, allowing quick cutting of all types of wood from soft to hard, including thick wood. In addition, the machine also has a built-in measuring ruler to ensure accuracy when cutting to the desired size, helping to save time and improve labor efficiency. The automatic wood splitter is a modern device, designed to effectively support the processing of firewood into small, even and neat bars. The body of the machine is usually made of sturdy steel, with a powerful engine to split firewood quickly without much labor. The machine operates by using sharp blades and hydraulic or mechanical systems to create great pressure, easily splitting the hardest pieces of firewood. Some models also integrate automatic conveyor belts, hoping to feed firewood in or out without manual operation. Thanks to its convenience and high efficiency, the automatic wood splitter is the ideal choice for families using a lot of firewood or bioenergy production plants. A modern saw is operating powerfully in the wood workshop, standing out with its massive size and advanced mechanical system. The sharp steel saw arm, automatically controlled by modern technology, gently but decisively cuts through the giant log. The sawing sound is even and rhythmic. Each piece of wood chips flies out sparkling under the light. The large log, with clear swirling wood grain, slowly separates into even parts, ready for the next processing steps. This is the perfect combination of technology and natural power, bringing high efficiency in the wood processing industry.
Alright, go! You're good, go on, go on, go on! That's how that is done.
A tree stump remover is a powerful industrial device designed to remove large tree stumps and roots from the ground quickly and efficiently. With a sturdy structure, the machine is often equipped with a powerful hydraulic arm and a sharp tip or blade, which helps to firmly grip the tree stump and pull it out of the ground. Some machines also have a root grinding system, which helps to process the stump and roots on the spot, saving cleanup time. Tree stump removers are often used in reclamation, gardening, or land improvement projects, contributing to improving labor efficiency and reducing manual labor. In the middle of the green forest, the powerful MT8050 tractor is diligently doing its job. The large, bright red body stands out among the treetops. The rough wheels roll slowly on the bumpy dirt road. Behind, large, heavy logs are firmly hooked to the pull rope, gliding on the ground, creating long tracks. The roar of the engine echoes, blending with the chirping of birds and rustling leaves, creating a lively working scene. The tractor moves carefully, step by step, bringing precious logs out of the forest, contributing to serving the large construction projects of humans. A tree splitter is a powerful piece of equipment specially designed to deal with stubborn tree stumps left after felling. With a sturdy structure, the machine is usually equipped with sharp blades made of alloy steel and a powerful hydraulic system, allowing it to split tree stumps into many pieces in a short time. Some modern models also integrate automatic control systems and safety mechanisms, hoping to increase work efficiency and reduce the risk of accidents. The tree splitter not only saves time and effort, but also contributes to recycling excess wood, creating raw materials for many industries such as firewood, sawdust, or organic fertilizer production. This is an ideal solution for farms, forestry companies, or construction sites that need to clear land quickly and efficiently. Forestry and gardening industry, designed to remove tree stumps after they have been cut down. With sharp blades and powerful engines, the machine can quickly and effectively crush and erode tree stumps into small pieces of mulch. The machine is often equipped with wheels or chains to help move easily on different terrains. A wood crusher is an industrial equipment used to process and crush wood. Wood chips into small pieces of wood powder. The machine is usually strong with sharp blades. It can cut, crush, and grind wood into smaller sizes. The large timber truck was steadily climbing the slope, each wheel biting into the rough road surface. The heavy logs on the truck bed shook, making a rattling sound under the enormous weight. The engine roared loudly, trying to pull the truck up the steep slope. Sometimes white smoke billowed through the exhaust pipe, each long, sturdy wooden pole, neatly stacked on top of each other. Oh my god. This chimney demolition job is very dangerous. The demolition machine could be buried at any moment.
Puts it off of there so fast I can't really keep up with it. Right?
He's really tied in there.
A mini tree stump remover is a compact yet powerful piece of equipment designed to remove tree stumps quickly and efficiently. Its small size makes it easy to move and operate in confined spaces, such as small gardens or yards. It is equipped with a sharp cutting blade that can dig deep into the ground, helping to remove stumps and roots cleanly without disturbing the surrounding area. It can be powered by gasoline or electricity, depending on the application, and often has safety features such as overload protection and easy-to-use controls.
Gently, gently.
The Timberjack 1270D is an icon in the logging industry, representing the cutting edge of modern forestry technology. Designed to maximize performance and minimize environmental impact, the machine is not only a powerful workhorse but also a valuable assistant for foresters around the world. The Timberjack 1270D features a robust design, combining a durable chassis with a flexible travel system, allowing it to easily operate on the most rugged and difficult terrain. With a modern cabin, the operator is guaranteed 360-degree visibility, enhancing control and safety during work. The cabin is also equipped with an air conditioning system and a vibration-reducing seat, providing maximum comfort even when working for long periods. The Timberjack 1270D is equipped with a powerful engine, allowing the handling of hardwoods and large trees with ease. Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.